Okay, day 16 of our daily 5 factorising. So looking at our first one, we're looking for a common factor. We can see that those two have a common factor of 7m. So we can write 7m outside of the brackets. Inside the bracket, we will get n for that first term, and here we'll get minus 2p. Looking at the next one, we're going to try using our grouping method. So looking at those first two terms, we've got a cubed and a squared, so they have a common factor of a squared. Outside of a, take away 1. And then looking at the second set, we've got 5a take 5, so we could take out a positive 5. Outside of a, take away 1. And then we've got a common bracket there of a take away 1, so we can put that out the front, and the a squared plus 5 can go in the second bracket. Always check within your brackets when you have done that factorising if those can be further factorised. If we'd had an a squared minus 5, we could have tried a difference of 2 squares, especially if it was a squared minus 25, then we definitely could have done our difference of 2 squares there and kept going. Having a look at a difference of 2 squares one here, we've got 5a all squared, take b squared, so we can write that as 5a plus b and 5a take away b. The next one we've got is a standard monic quadratic, so we've got a equals 1, b equals negative 1, and c equals negative 56. So our AC is equal to negative 56, and our b is equal to negative 1. So we're looking for two numbers that will multiply to give negative 56, but add to give negative 1. So we have 7 and 8 go into 56. If we make it negative 8 and positive 7, then that way it will multiply to give the negative 56, but it will add to give negative 1. Because we have an a equals 1 here, we can put that straight in the bracket and write m take 8 and m plus 7. Last one we've got our a equals 2, b equals 7, and c equals 3. So our AC is equal to 6, our b is equal to 7. So our two numbers that multiply to give 6 but add to give 7 will be 6 and 1. And then because it's a 2 there, we can't put it straight in like we did in the previous one. Here's our 7y, we're going to replace that and write 2y squared plus 6y plus y plus 3. We'll look at the first two terms, common factor of 2y, which leaves us is y plus 3. We've got a y plus 3 there, so we can put a 1 out the front and write y plus 3. Then we have that common bracket of y plus 3, and in the second bracket we'll go the 2y plus 1.